Nathan, you ready to go?
Yep.
All right. A little bit heavier than the buggy.
Wow. That sounded good. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's so weird off-roading my bug. It's manual.
Think about the weld and brace.
What?
Think about the weld and brace on this roll cage. Tie it to the seat belts or at least the assist straps so it doesn't rattle around.
See, you have to be really punching with this thing. Like, ready? That's full of fun. Wow. Turn around.
Yeah. Although we missed the actual loop, but whatever.
That's like you can't really punch it though. That way?
Well, they're both dead ends, but whatever. You're driving. Go. Problem is you're short shifting. These engines like to rev. If they speed, you should be in second gear. Downshift, slow down. Slow down. Just keep over there, so slow down. That busted port sight.
Wow. Mark Charles called this buggy right there.
I'm pretty sure we did.
Yeah,
But maybe because they just dropped off. So what we need to do is get a selfie stick and a GoPro and mount it off the back bumper. Let's go back to the trailer and just give everything a once over. Out of the rocks, please. Out of the rocks. On the right. Thank you. On the right. Up the right. Try harder. There you go. Definitely handles better than the dune buggy.
First manual car other than the new buggy. That was literally insane. I am so stoked right now. That was so fun.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we did have the AC on. Probably couldn't really tell since all the windows were down.
Yeah, the windows are open, but
And the back windows too. That is literally so insane. Oh my gosh. Like, honestly, I wish we grabbed, like, a tripod so I could see myself drive by and send it to my friends, but...
Oh well.
Yeah.
Got plenty of punch when you're in the right gear. Where's the helicopter when we need it?
I know.
Oh, Nate! Not paying attention to where the heck they're riding. Ow. Alright, you need to let the clutch out before you stab on the gas. Go! There you go. Alright, let's go take a look at the car. Turn it around, show the trailer, take a look. Well, Nathan, you didn't make it to Dubfest, but your car did.
Uh-huh. Then it made it around Geyser Loop.
You made it around Geyser Loop.
That was really fun.
It's rough, but you made it. We had the fan blowing, the windows up. It was nice.
Cool enough. Cooler than it is right now.
Yeah, we have the windows rolled up because it's windy outside. Our carburetor is dirty again, and it won't idle again. Just what happens when you run in the dirt and you get things clogged up. I tried to do plug the carburetor rebuild, plug the top of the carburetor with the engine running real fast, and didn't help any to idle. We'll figure that out.
Or maybe just go fuel injection.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
But those will be later videos. Maybe those will be earlier than I expected. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, it's getting hot in here.
Really hot.
I want to thank you guys for watching this series up to this point. This has been a blast.
Yeah, like, gosh, just thinking. Oh, the first day when we brought it home and just trying to figure out the door latch.
What'd you do, Nathan?
I opened the door.
How'd you do it?
Pushing this JBugs screwdriver up into the latch, and it popped out.
I tried doing the same thing for a good 10 minutes, and I couldn't get it to budge. Yeah, which you had open in like 30 seconds.
I know, and now the door's orange, interior.
Door
drove the car off-road.
You drove the car 50 miles an hour off-road.
I know. Maybe more, actually. I don't know.
Yeah, we weren't paying attention.
Getting up there.
It's been a long voyage to this point. We still have a while to go. We want to put a full interior in this thing, a back seat, carpet, stereo, and whatnot, but those will be in videos to come. But I think we're going to take a little break on this because we've been hitting it hard for the last 9-10 weeks, from the end of January basically up until this point. Every free night, every free weekend has been spent trying to get this car to this point for the Desert Dub show, which you didn't even go to.
We went to the other show though.
We did go to Bug Bloom last weekend. That was fun. Went a full lap around Geyser Loop, and the car does great. With that note, guys, it's getting hot in here. I want to get out. So, thank you guys again for watching. I'm Sam.
And I'm Nate.
And life's full of good people.
If you can't find one,
be one. Later, guys.